Alright guys, I'm on Jenkins now. I'm just showing a bit of automation which I've done here. Alright, so you can skip this because it's not a big of a hi-fi automation. It's a simple what you can simply do it by running terraform init and terraform apply. What I've done that is that I have linked it with GitHub repository, my GitHub repository test123. So if anyone make an update on my repository, it will automatically trigger my Terraform build. So let me tell you about a little bit about the Terraform build and Terraform destroy. Terraform build will create the infrastructure. It will run the init and apply, which will create our cloud infrastructure, and Terraform destroy will simply destroy it. Okay, so let's see how it works. Well, let's go inside our Terraform build. I'll just show you how I configured this particular job. So in this configure job, you can see that it might take a few seconds to load. Please bear. Yeah, so I have configured it at my GitHub repository test123. Alright, and I have enabled GitHub hook. So what is GitHub hook? It's a webhook which you can configure in your repository settings, right? So you need a URL which is accessible from the internet. All right, so GitHub, the Jenkins is locally installed, so it in order to enable or make available its services outside on the internet, I have used ngrok. Okay, ngrok. So you can see this is my URL which I have entered here, and this particular extra entry I have made so that the GitHub webhook feature in my Jenkins can be triggered by it. Okay, so update webhook. It has been updated. Alright, and this is my job. Let's go to the job. Let's see whether the webhooks works or not. So this is my bash shell. I have already cloned my test123 repository locally. I have made changes to the index file, added to the index file, commit my message as edited index file. Now I'm going to push the change to the repository test123. Okay, anytime we'll be able to see a job 20 here triggered. Okay, it got triggered. Let's peek inside to see what's really happening inside the job. We have to go into the console output to see what updates the job is giving. Alright, so if you can see, this is the script command, the batch file command, terraform apply auto approve. So this has started creating resources. Okay, you can see like the S3 bucket is starting to create. Let's see what's happening over here. So this is EC2 instance, right? It's on Mumbai. Let's see what has happened here. S3. So this is the image which has been created. Let's see if there is an picture as well. A cat pic has been uploaded, right, as per the script, per the instruction. Okay, now what's happening over here? It has created the CDN. Let's check the CDN, okay, whether the CDN has been created or not. CDN CloudFront, let's see. Yeah, our CloudFront has also been created with the command cat pix. Static web pages is getting enabled. Alright, so the remote execution phase, I think it's installing the Git, right, as per the instruction. Git and HTTPD, a web server. So still working on the CloudFront, so this might take a while for it to complete.